Kids TV. Hello! They're doing that Barbie challenge. Two pictures. Daddy and Katy and babies and Mama.
So hello everyone!
Hello everyone.
Welcome on Katy Kids TV channel. They came two new Barbies for Katy. Woohoo! Let's unbox them. Wow! It's a Barbie can. Finally, we'll have a Barbie can, Katy. And what is here? Wow! And it's a can. You can be anything. Football player with a ball, with a football ball. Hello. Wow! It will glow in the dark. Katy, let's unbox it. Wow! So many accessories, even dummies here.
Dummies. Oh yeah, eat dummies. How did that out?
We unboxed this Sweet Dreams package. Inside was cool Barbie with long hairs and awesome shoes. Baby. She can sit down like that. Toy for baby unicorn. Bed who glows in the dark. You can close. Cot bed. So toys for baby. Toys for baby. Spoon. Bottle. Pen dummy with a bunny.
Oh yeah.
And toothbrush. And toothpaste. Okay. Now Katy's brother Edvard will open the can. Edvard, let's open it. You like to play with your sister, yeah?
Yes.
Wow, it's a football ball. Show me. Wow, it's a real football can. Hello everyone! If you like Katy Kids TV, press like and subscribe to Katy Kids TV for more awesome videos! How to know if it's can? Ta-da! Now we can pretend play, Katy!
Yay! Hey, dollhouse started.
Yes, so we have dollhouse, Barbie dollhouse, which you can check on our previous video.
Hey, Barbies. That's mom and baby. Ding ding.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, I don't want to wake up. It's so sleepy. Oh.
Mommy, where are you?
Oh, let's wake up. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Let's switch on light.
Mommy, help me. Oh, you need to pick it. You need to pick it up your bed.
Let's wash our teeth. And then we will have breakfast. Come, baby. Come, Mia. Come. We need to brush our teeth, Mia.
Okay, Mommy.
Brum, brum, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Okay, now it's time for breakfast. Mia, come for breakfast.
What's here?
We will have porridge in the breakfast.
I will get you to read candies.
We can't eat candies in the breakfast straight away after waking up. We need to eat something healthy. For example, porridge. Da-da-da-da-da-da. It's done, it's ready.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Done. Nom nom nom. Eat it. No food.
Baby, wait for me. Oh, don't cry. And let's play. Come here, let's play. You can play with your toys here. And I will wash a dish. There are some toys.
Mama, I love playing with my toys. Yay! Oh, it's starting to get bored. I want to meet my friend Stacy.
Oh no, baby is crying. Let's call to our friend Stacy. Let's watch something while waiting, Stacy. Oh, I will watch some video on Katy Kids TV. Yay! Wow, there are so many awesome videos. Yes, I also like Katy Kids TV videos. Let's watch them together. Okay, come here. Look, there is Katy. She's so cute. Wow, look, it's so funny.
Dinner.
Oh, it's Stacy.
Yes, Stacy.
Come in, Stacy.
Good.
Okay, let's drink a milkshake, okay?
Yeah, okay. Mia, I love to play with you. Yeah, I love to play with you, Stacy. Also, look, my unicorn. It's so cute.
Wow, it's a tasty milkshake. Woohoo!
You hit my bed. You hit my bed, Tashi. Okay, take you, Mia. Take you, Mia. Look at Tashi. Get it. Yes, get it. It's my bed. You hit my bed.
Oh, it's very late. We need to go home. Yeah, and it's bedtime already. Yay! Don't forget to subscribe Katy Kids TV for more awesome videos. And press like and share this video. Woohoo! It's Barbie fun! Woohoo! Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay, bye Barbie. Bye Mia. Bye. Mwah, mwah, bye.
Bye.
Okay, Mia, let's go brush your teeth. Come to mommy. Yay, my teeth are now clean and I can go to bed. Mommy, can you sing a song for me? Tinkle, tinkle, little star, or read a fairy tale. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, up so high, like a diamond in the sky. Shh, shh. Sweet dreams, my baby. Good night. Oh, it's very late. It's time to go to bed. Tomorrow we will meet Ken.
Can?
Wow, how it glows. Ding, ding. Oh, it's morning already. Hurry up. Ken is coming today. Where is the ball? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Bye. guys subscribe to Katy Kids TV. And like and subscribe. Pop.